What's up everyone, and welcome back to this channel. In this episode today, I'm going to be taking you through the step-by-step guide on how you can professionally make a zipper pocket. As you can see, this is what you're expected to get at the end of this video. If you follow me step by step, you're actually going to be getting the same result as I do. Now take a look at this picture. As you can see how it is neatly fixed, the angle and everything are well balanced. As you can see, look at the pocket opening and look at it, how neatly it is constructed. So without further ado, let's get straight into the tutorial. So I will place my zipper flyer just like this. As you can see, I mark 2 inches away from the top and 2 inches away from the down, and the straight line you are seeing there is actually ½ inch away from the edge of the zipper flyer. So the reason why I make the straight line is that I want my stitch to be straight as much as possible. So I will just run my stitch to the end like this. So let me trim off this edge, so the stitch that I just made just now, so the distance from the first stitch and the second stitch that I'll be making now, I want it to be ½ inch, the same measurement as the measurement on the edge of the zipper flyer to the straight line. So here is my zipper, this is my zipper. I will just lock the edge to avoid it to be opening. So I will lock it just like this. So just lock the edge like that. So then I will be placing my zipper on top of the fabric just like this. So as you can see, the front side of the zipper will be facing the front side of my trouser just like this. So the distance from the first stitch and the second stitch will also be ½ inch. As you can see, once you place it correctly, then you run your stitch to the end just like this. Don't let the stitch exit each other. It must be the same thing. It must stop at the same spot and start at the same spot. So once you achieve that, so I will turn my pieces into the wrong side, then I will make a notch. I'll make a notch at that area for the opening. As you can see, just a little bit. Then I will just cut it and notch it to where my stitch starts. Just watch me doing and just curve it. Don't cut that thread, don't cut the thread, and your opening shouldn't exceed where your stitch starts. All right, so you do that on the second side. So I'll just trim it, then just like this. As you can see that I curve it like this. As you can see, your notching should not exceed where your stitch starts from in order for you to get the accurate notch. As you can see, just like this. Then I will turn both the zipper flyer and the zipper. I will tuck it in. I will just tuck them in like this. You need to take your time to arrange it properly from the inside. As you can see, I'm actually arranging it. So the zipper flyer the zipper will be on top of the zipper flyer. As you can see, just arrange it very well. As you can see, I hope you are getting it. It's very easy if you actually follow this step-by-step guide. As you can see, just properly arrange it. Take your time to arrange it. Take your time. As you can see, so once you achieve that, as you can see, I will be locking the edge first. As you can see, just lock it. So once you lock it, you've actually secured that angle. As you can see, I will show you the results. Let's lock the other side too. So once you are able to lock it from the inside, you've actually successfully secured the angle right there. As you can see, just arrange it properly, so that it doesn't bend. As you can see, once you achieve that, then you lock it from the inside to secure the angle. Now let's stitch. As you can see, I try to move in the zipper, then I'll stitch. Alright, as you can see the results, it actually look clean. So the next thing now is to cover up my zipper bag. As you can see, I'll just cover it up like this. Make sure you arrange it properly and make sure the edges of the lining are well balanced. Once you get that, so as you can see, you just have to lock your stitch. As you can see, lock your stitch from this very part, from there. Don't start from the end, just start exactly where my stitch starts from. As you can see, I will show you the reason why after this. So just follow me step by step. Keep running your stitch. So set your lino in, then turn it and stitch the top as well. As you can see, let's run our stitch to the end, and let's see, and that's it. Once you achieve that, just lock your stitch. Then the next part now is to be fixing my bias curve at the edge of the pocket lining. As you can see, so after this, you turn your pocket bag into the wrong side. So we're gonna be fixing our bias from the very wrong side. So after we stitch this bias from the wrong side, we now turn it back to the other side and we start our top stitch rather. So once you have it like this, place your bias and start your sewing. Ensure you are following that curve as best as you can. You need to achieve that curve as best as you can. Just take your time and stitch. As you can see me doing, you need to take your time. So once you run your stitch correctly, you're really gonna achieve that very curve. As you can see, I'm stitching a 1/4 inch from the bias. So once you get to this spot, just cut it. As you can see that there is an excess of an 1/2 inch. Then you tuck in that, then you run your stitch to the end, and then you lock. Always lock your stitch with the reverse button. All right. So once you achieve that, okay, let me just trim this excess. If I don't trim it, if you see it like that and you don't trim it, it's actually gonna it will affect your stitch when you turn it to the right side. So as you can see, I've turned it now. Then turn over your bias and top stitch. As you can see, just you see me doing, I turn it now, then I will top stitch, and I will top stitch. First of all, reverse your stitch, reverse, so that I can actually achieve that edge. So then you can now start your sewing. Make sure you are following the curve. Make sure you follow the curve as best as you can. And mind you, I'm stitching in between the bias. I'm not stitching on the edge right now. I'm stitching in between, so that I don't want my stitch to bend and I don't want my needle to gamble. I want it to grab the bias and the lining together in one spot. Right, as you can see, here we go. We've actually successfully achieved our zipper pockets. As you can see, boom, you can see the inside. It's very neat and matured, as you can see. And now we've come to the end of this episode. So if you have any question, let me know in the comment section, and if you want me to fix it on any type of trouser, the comment section is there. Make sure you drop your comments in the comment section and I will provide you a guidance. So I want to say big thank you for watching this episode. Until next time, I see you on the next episode. Peace out.